Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add audio spectrum in CapCut. First, open CapCut and tap on New Project. Now import your video or image, then add your music or audio to the timeline. Next, tap on Effects. Now go to Video Effects and open Party, Basic or Music. Then select Audio Spectrum, Sound Wave or Sound Glue and tap Add to place it on the timeline. After that, drag the effect layer so it starts with the music. Now adjust the length so it matches the audio. Next, customize the spectrum. Select the effect and tap Adjust. Now change the color, glow, size, opacity, and speed. Then pick Center button or Circle style if available. After that, go to Adjust and change intensity or sensitivity. Increase it slightly so it reaches clearly to sound, and lower the background brightness for a stronger glow. Finally, preview the results, then tap Export and choose the resolution and FPS. That's it, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.